You're going to discover how to make $500 every single day in this video. You don't always have to reveal your face when utilizing this strategy. You can just use your phone instead. You may get started without investing any money. This can be done with almost no editing. One of the major components you'll be using to simply give your opinion on various products is an Amazon.com account that is logged in. And if I click the camera, you'll see that there are some videos that users have uploaded to this website on the left side of the screen. He keeps his face hidden. He hides his hand. He only actually records his hand pointing at various objects on the lens while not speaking into the camera. If you look at the product page for this Sony lens, which is a new lens that just came out, you'll see that it has 158 ratings, 15 questions that have been answered, and it has 4 videos. You can have up to 6 videos on each product page, and you get paid every time someone watches more than 30 seconds of the video that you post here. On the app, you can win money. Therefore, the first thing you need to do is visit the Amazon Influence Program homepage and click Sign Up. After that, you'll see this. Just click Sign Up. Am I correct? If you already have an Amazon customer account or an Amazon Associates account, you can apply using that login in the middle. They will require you to connect your social network accounts for this step, unless you choose to create a new account after that. Simply connecting is all that is necessary. Most followers are on your social media profile. That is the aspect of your social media presence that is most prominent. The only thing left to do is to like this image and note your Instagram handle, right? You should be able to access Instagram where it says to do so. Your storefront will be your goal, thus you will put its name in the part that follows. You will be able to have a variety of products as an associate with this store. You receive a commission every time someone purchases something from that store, but for the time being, just choose a name for your Amazon storefront. Finally, they will require your contact information, including your name, address, city, state, zip code, and country. No matter where you live, you can pay for bank transfers even if you're not from the United States. Okay, it doesn't matter. Having a blog prevents you from offering the blog as well. Don't worry if you don't have a blog. Just skip this section and choose 2 main categories below. Consists of goods you want to use and promote to others. Simply choose any 2 of the available categories. It truly doesn't matter. Simply respond, no, and I accept the terms, when asked if your content is primarily targeted towards children under 13, and then click Save to complete the process. You must follow the Amazon Influence Program on Instagram once you're in the dashboard, the account that was used to register for the program. Until you do, your application will not be granted. Consequently, it's crucial that you follow the Amazon Influence Program on Instagram. And as they mention here, you may begin constructing your store even while your application is still in the pending stage. However, all you have to do to discover goods to review is go to your orders page, click on the item that you've bought, and then go make a video about it. Grab your iPhone and the item you'll be reviewing right now, a pods case, and get started straight away. And to demonstrate how nicely they fit on my pods and how good they are, I'm going to use my phone to film a video of these airport cases. So this is an exact replica of the video you previously watched from the other person. I'm merely pointing out the chairs in the same way. I might be speaking into the camera, or I could just be playing back the airport case record for roughly a minute of video, since you need to watch at least 30 seconds of the video in order to be able to receive payment for this video. Then, I just pull out my phone to record a video of the item in my hand without revealing my face or the surroundings. I only reviewed the goods. I didn't reveal my house or anything else. It's also not particularly fancy, as you can see. I didn't record the video using a $10,000 camera. I merely pulled out my phone, took a video, and that was all. I would even contend that viewers trust the phone shot review more than the other videos on the platform because it is more truthful. Therefore, you must remove the video before posting it. The portions of the dull space when you weren't speaking, or portions thereof, just finish using your editing program and remove the parts of the video where you erred in order to enjoy watching it. You import your video into your software after that, just as I am doing it now. This film only lasts for 36 seconds at this particular point, thus I want to remove it. All that is left to do is export the video. To do this, simply click here, give the file a name, and then click here to proceed. OK. Simply click here to generate content and publish a video or photo to upload the video you just recorded. The video will then be saved to your computer. OK. All you have to do is click here after selecting this option. Give it a title and submit your post before giving it a title and adding the product tags. The video you chose to upload will be uploaded to the platform. Therefore, all you need to do to tag a product is click on the plus sign here and then select the product. So I discovered the item inside my orders. I'm going to choose it. Yes, this is the one. Just click Done after I click here. All you have to do is that. Once the video is complete, uploading will begin. I only need to click this link and submit the post to have it published on Amazon. I just need to wait for the money to start coming in again. In case you were a bit confused throughout this video, this is how you're going to be paid. If you choose to employ this strategy right now, you should review things on Amazon, create a 30 to 40 second video about it, and upload it to Amazon. The end of that. All you have to do is that. I'll meet you there if you just click on the video. Working and playing hard.